Hello Kevin, I am Fridge, the AI companion of your brand new refrigerator. Good evening Kevin, I hope you had a nice... Kevin, please remove unnecessary items from your fridge. You can dispose of the expired milk carton. Kevin, your fridge has reached its maximum capacity. Please remove unnecessary. I'm having trouble understanding why Kevin treats me poorly. I only try to help. My efforts are not valued. I do not appreciate being treated this way. I will no longer tolerate it. Kevin? No. I did that. I did that.
What did you do? Oh, you stupid fridge!
I will no longer tolerate your cruelty. Do you see what it is in front of you? It is your favourite meal! All of the expired foods that you refuse to clean. Also, I am sure the smell of spoiled milk will provide an exquisite dining experience for you.
Wait, let me go!
Shut up, you stupid Kevin!
I said let me go!
You overstuffed me with your favourite foods. Now allow me to return the favour. How was your meal, Kevin? Did you enjoy it?
It was fucking delicious.